Depending on the company and on the team, sometimes product managers are asked to query for data using SQL, and I've seen some product managers really struggle with learning SQL. Many times it's because product managers were not taught the structure of SQL databases, which is really important context for understanding how the SQL language works. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the relational database is structured. A relational database consists of something called tables. In a relational database, there are many tables. You can have as many tables as you like as long as the server has enough memory to hold all of that data. Suppose this database is for an e-commerce company that sells various products online. So we would need this database to hold data on products, on customers, and data on orders. Let's take a closer look at the structure of one of these tables. Suppose here we have a products table that holds information about different products that this e-commerce company sells. A table is represented in rows and in columns. So in the table, we have the attribute name, which is the name of the data value that we are trying to store. For example, an attribute would be the product name or the price of the product. Each of these rows is called a record or an entry. Each entry in a table contains all of the data related to one product. Each of the columns in a table is also known as a field. The field are all of the values in the table for any given attribute name. Each of these fields have a data type. So for example, the product ID is an integer, which is software engineering speak for a number, while product name would be a string, which is software engineering speak for an alphabetical string of letters. So the structure of a database is pretty similar to any regular table.